From Aliexpress, of course, you can get this gadget or this module for $8 US. And what is it? The model is ST-838 Hi-Fi 2.1 channel power amplifier, Bluetooth compatible 5.0, 20 watts stereo ×2, subwoofer amplifier, sound and bass and treble adjustment. I found it very interesting and cool looking design. I ordered it, I wait, and I got it. I see bubbles. Yeah. Oh, what a feeling. Ooh. And here it is. Hi-Fi audio amplifier ST-838. What is in the box? Audio amplifier and manual. Hi-Fi 2.1 CD MP3 MP4 stereo amplifier. What it says? Product features: input power from DC 12 volts to 14.4 volts 3 ampere, speaker impedance from 4 to 8 ohms, okay, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, total harmonic distortion 0.4%, okay, net weight of the product 0.25 kilograms, or that is 220 grams. Alright, beautiful. Let's open. Oh, a short DC cable for powering the unit. Instruction manual. Let's open now. Beautiful. Such a beautiful design. And it's metallic. Aluminum for better cooling. Okay, let me explain. From the left we have the power switch, the LED indicator, we have the, what is this? It says that is ultra low sound volume for bass, treble, bass and volume potentiometer. This is the master volume, and on the right side we have the aux audio input. From behind we have also RCA audio input, right and left connectors. We have also one more connector for connecting the super bass, and this connector is for speakers left, right and left, and you can hook up speakers with impedance from 4 to 8 ohms. And on the right side we have the DC jack where it says 12 volts 3 amperes required. And all the amplifier is made out of metal, aluminum, as I said, for better cooling. What it says? BTL out audio amplifier, Hi-Fi 2.1. Beautiful design. It's time for testing. Just to mention and to read from description, it says the amplifier is 2 times by 20 watts plus 40 watts for the subwoofer. That is the real power of this gadget. Okay. Just to be clear, this amplifier does not have built-in Bluetooth audio receiver. It says it's compatible, but it doesn't have inside. so you will need a small device or module like this one. I have made a video review about this Bluetooth audio receiver that costs $1, that is powered by Type-C power 5 volts. Also you can hook up a battery, never mind, and through the 3.5mm output you can connect to the input of the amplifier. Let's power up now, okay, and let's play some music so you can hear it. It's connected with my phone, and right now I'm gonna play music. Without treble, this is the maximum. Without bass, going up. Okay, now it's time to add the subwoofer beside this left and right, because this amplifier is 2.1. Let's do that. The wires from the subwoofer need to be connected on this connector that goes right here, and be careful to connect positive on positive, negative on negative from the subwoofer. And just to tell you that I do not have any other subwoofer, just this one. Sorry, but we're gonna try it. Okay, start. Stop for a moment. This first knob is for adjusting the super ultra low bass, and here it is a blue LED light that detects a peak. I think I will go to the maximum. I think that this product is awesome for the money. For around $10 US you can get pretty decent amplifier, hooking up left and right speaker, and also you can hook up a subwoofer. It's great. For more info you can check the link in description below. And that's it for today's video review of this amplifier. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!